Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't open web page on Microsoft Edge. First method, click 3 dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Privacy Search and Services. Click Choose what to clear. Select All Time. Click Clear Now. Second method is type services in Windows search bar. Open DNS client. Make sure startup type is automatic and service is running state. Third method is right-click network icon, click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Right-click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type sfc/scano. Type DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space. /restore health. Restart computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.